Hey everyone, this is Raj. Today we will deep dive into the main function in C++ and understand the world behind the main function. So quickly I'll jump to the code. I'll create a file a.cpp and this is my minimal code, right? We have the empty file. Can we compile and run it? Let's see. I'll check. We have a.cpp file. Okay. Now I want to compile it. Okay. gcc a.cpp. Okay, it is giving some errors because we don't have any main function and it is looking for that. Okay, what is functions? Functions are the building blocks that perform certain operations. We will learn about the function in the upcoming videos. Let's quickly define the main function. Int main. Okay, so basically in C++, we have a entry point from where our code execution start. Okay, so this is the main function where we write all our driver code or main code, right? So now I save this and again run. Okay, we are able to run without any issue, right? We are able to compile the a.cpp file and let's check. We have a.out. I want to run that. Okay, it is working and it is not printing anything because we have not mentioned anything here, right? Okay, so this is now minimal code at least we have in our C++ file. Okay, now what is this int? What is this main? Can we name it something else? See, this int is a return type of the function. So this function returns something. Okay, return 0, 1, 2, whatever. It should be an integer value, right? So that's why we have the int main. We'll learn about the data types in the next video. Suppose if I return 0, 0 return code is for successful execution. If you return 1 or something, that is for some error or something unexpected happen in your code. That's why it's written 1. So basically these are the error codes we'll return from the function. So we have to take care of the return value. But I want to change. I don't want to return something. I want to make it void. Void means empty. It will not return anything. Can I run it? Let's see. I want to compile this file. It is giving some error. Main must return int, right? So it is giving that instead of that, you have to put int. Okay. But can I change the name of the function? I want to change it like my main. Can I run it now? No, because again, it is looking for the main function, which is not mentioned in the code, right? So I have to remove this. Then only I am able to run the code. So this is the strict guidelines that you have to follow, right? Now let's understand how this main function get called, right? So whenever we run our file, for example, we have a.out file. This is an executable. As we understand in the last video that we have the compiler, linker. Similarly, we have a loader. It's a tool which is responsible to run your code, right? So in the loader, first it will allocate some memory for your program in a RAM. So defaults values and initialization will happen here and it will call the start function, which calls the libc start main function, right? And now this libc start main function calling our main function, whatever we have developed, right? So many things are happening in the background. If you want to allocate some memory in the different location like static memories and some code memories you want to allocate, so you can just play with these things. But these things are good to know if you want to deep dive into the C level programming in the embedded systems or kernel level design or these things. At that time, it will helpful to know the complete execution pipeline. When you return the 0 or 1 return code, basically that libc start main function will take care of those things and accordingly it will exit from the program, right? So we have this whole world behind the main. Your main function is just a part of this, right? Thanks for the watching the video. Please like, share, and comment. And in the next video, we'll learn the variables, constant, and the data types in C++. See you in the next video.